On August 1, 1943, 177 B-24 bombers take off from an Allied base in Libya, bound for the oil-producing city Ploiesti, Romania, nicknamed Hitler's gas station. The daring raid, known as Operation Tidal Wave, resulted in 5 men being awarded the Medal of Honor, 3 of them posthumously, but failed to strike the fatal blow its planners had intended. Operation Tidal Wave began ominously, with an overloaded bomber crashing shortly after takeoff and another plunging into the Adriatic Sea. 167 of the original 177 bombers made it to Ploiesti, whose oil fields and refineries provided the Germans with over 8.5 million tons of oil per year. Whereas most Allied bombing in World War II was carried out from a high altitude, the bombers that raided Ploiesti flew exceptionally low in order to evade the Germans' radar.